Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily enable Do Not Disturb on your ECOVACS Deebot X1 Plus. So first, make sure to open the app and click on the robot. Now click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings, and now here click Do Not Disturb. If you want to enable it, simply tap on the switch, and here you can choose from and to, and here you can change it from, let's say, 11 PM to 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.